Yes, welcome on my channel, welcome on my podcast, welcome on my page. Yes, you saw the video title, Addressing Tribalism in Zimbabwe. Addressing or speaking about tribalism in Zimbabwe. Yes. So, as you know, in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, or the country of Zimbabwe, the nation of Zimbabwe, we've got two big tribes, two major tribes, Ndebele people and Shona people, and other smaller Nyana tribes, smaller tribes along the whole breadth and length of Zimbabwe. But when it comes to significance, when it comes to importance, there are only two big tribes, two major tribes in Zimbabwe. Ndebele people or Ndebele tribe, Shona people, Shona tribe. Right. But this is how it goes. This is how I want to address the issue of tribalism in Zimbabwe. I saw comments on my channel, on my podcast, on my page, and a lot of people saying, bruh, you are tribalistic. Hey man, you are tribalistic. Hey guy, you are tribalistic. Hey Kudzi, you are tribalistic. Madziro, you are tribalistic. I saw plenty of comments, a lot of comments, comments without number, saying I'm tribalistic. Right. This is my first point. How do you know that I'm tribalistic? How do you know? I'm a stranger to you. You are a stranger to me. I don't know you. You don't know me. I don't understand you and don't understand me. I never grew up with you. You understand? And you never grew up with me. So how do you know that I'm tribalistic? Have you entered my heart? Have you entered my soul, my spirit, or my mind, or my brain? For you to say I'm tribalistic, for you to know that I'm tribalistic, or you to come to a conclusion that I'm tribalistic, how do you know? You understand? But this is my personal response. This is my answer to those comments, to those stupid comments, dirty comments. I'm not tribalistic. I am not tribalistic. The fact that I say something bad about Ndebele people, I say something bad or I speak about something bad, something negative about them, does not make me a tribalistic person. Let me repeat again for your understanding. The fact that I speak something bad or something not good, I speak something negative about Ndebele people, Ndebele tribe, in BULAWAYO, in Matebeni province, in Matebeni region, does not make me a tribalistic person, does not make me whatsoever a tribalistic person. Remember, I produced or generated a lot of videos where I'm speaking good about Ndebele people. I'm speaking good things, positive things, beautiful things, amazing things about this tribe by the name Ndebele or Ndebele. They're there on my channel. Go and check them out. When I talk about their schools, when I talk about their hospitals, when I talk about some of their behaviors that they do, when I talk about some of the activities that they do, which I've never seen among the Shona tribe. So I did a lot of videos where I'm talking good about Ndebele people, beautiful things, amazing things, super good things, mega stuff about Ndebele people. So why didn't you type in the comments that you are tribalistic? When I was speaking about good things, positive things, beautiful things about Ndebele people, why did you say to me, you are tribalistic? Why are you saying good things? Why are you speaking about positive things or beautiful things? Why did you say so? But now I come on the other side, or I approach another side where I'm talking about the bad stuff that I saw, or what I heard, what I observed, what I was told, the bad stuff, negativity, every bad things. Now I begin to say I'm tribalistic. No, I am not tribalistic. This is how I'm going to address this issue right now. I am not tribalistic. For your own information, I'm a Christian, born again, saved, filled with the Holy Spirit. I go to church, and the Bible that I read expects me to love everyone, to love every country, every nation, every tribe, every kind of people. You understand? Even developed people, I love them. I like them. But the same God who created me, or same God who created Shona people, is the same God, Jehovah, who created developed people. Is the same God who created me as a Shona person, or the Shona tribe, is the same God again, Jehovah, who created or made these developed people. So I cannot hate them. Never. I cannot hate them. You understand? So I'm a Christian, born again, filled with the Holy Spirit. I go to church, and I'm serious with my Christianity. I'm serious with God. I'm serious with my Christianity. And by so doing, by virtue of that, I love everyone. Zulu, Tonga, Songa, Ndombe, Nambia, Ndebele, whatever, white people, anyone. As long as you are a human being, as long as you are a person made in the image of God, in the likeness of God, I love you and I like you. I appreciate you and I accept you as you are, as a human being, because I'm also a human being. So I am not tribalistic. You understand? But I want to re-emphasize again the fact that I speak something bad about your things, your behaviors, some of your behaviors, some of the things you do as Ndebele people does not make me a tribalistic person. Remember again, there are videos on my channel where I speak bad things about Shona people. A lot of videos, multiple videos on my channel. Go and see them out. Go and check them out. Where I speak bad things or bad stuff, negativity that happens around Shona people, Shona tribe. I spoke about them. I'm also Shona, but I spoke about the same things among the Shona tribe, Shona people. The bad things, bad stuff, or the negativity that they do as Shona people, some of their behaviors, some of their mindsets, some of their activities, of their attitudes. I spoke about them, of course, against them, but I'm Shona. So why didn't you say, hey, you are tribalistic? Or what are you doing to your fellow tribe? What are you doing to your fellow people? Why didn't you come on our channel and attack me? Why didn't you come and say, what are you doing to Shona people? So I'm always a balanced person. As for Ndebele people and Ndebele tribe, whatever I see, good or bad, I'll speak about it. Beautiful or ugly, I'll speak about it. Positive or negative, I'll speak about it. Something amazing or something boring, I'll speak about it. Same for Shona people. Anything good or bad, I'll speak about it. Anything beautiful or ugly, I'll speak about it. You understand? Anything positive or negative, I'll speak about it. So the fact that I speak or I talk about something bad that you are doing as Ndebele people, in your BULAWAYO, in your Matebele province, does not make me tribalistic. I am never tribalistic. And I'll never walk in that path. I love you, I like you. I've accepted you as Ndebele people. And you have to accept me as a Shona person, Shona guy, Shona man, or Shona young man. But I'm not. But anything bad that I see among Ndebele tribe, Ndebele people, I'll speak about it. And I'm not tribalistic. It's just the nature of life. Things can be good, things can be bad, things can be beautiful, things can be ugly. It's the nature of life, human living. So are you telling me that everything that you do as Ndebele people is just good? Everything that you do or say is just good or beautiful? No. You mess up sometimes. There are a lot of things that you are doing which are very bad. Things that you say that are very bad. And I have to speak about them on my channel. I have to talk or discuss about them on my channel. Because you are not perfect. Same for Shona people. Same for Shona people. Or the Shona tribe. Some of the things that they do are bad. They're not good. They're so ugly. And I have to speak about them. So there's a need to strike a balance. When you talk about a tribe or when you talk about a people, develop people, strike a balance, good and bad, positive and negative, beautiful and ugly. Same for Shona people, same for Zulu, same for Xhosa, same for Tonga or Tsonga, Nambia, Ndobe, Venda, Pedi, any tribe in Africa. Even for white people, the white race, there's always something good, something bad, something negative, something positive. So there's always a need to strike a balance. And this is what I always do. So the fact that I say something bad about you, Ndebele people, does not make me tribalistic. No, I am not. And I'll never be. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.